Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the main difference in between the American power and the European power. I receive different phone calls every day and emails related with what is the main difference if I have a generator single phase American power or if I have a generator single phase European power. Okay, it's pretty simple. In American power, in one phase you have hot, neutral and ground. The hot is black, the neutral is white, and the green is the ground. And you have 120 volts, 60 hertz, 60 cycles in 1 second. In European power, in the outlet is rounded, you have hot, neutral, and the ground. The ground is on the case. In between hot and neutral, in the European power, you have 230 volts and 50 hertz, 50 cycles in 1 second. That's the main difference. In one phase European, you have 230, 50 hertz. In one phase American, you have 120, 60 hertz. 230, 120. 230, 120. That's the main difference. In European power, in one phase, 230 volts. In American power, in one phase, 120 volts.